I've enjoyed this last 3 years with you guys.
I
feel like
we're going to miss you, Dami.
Hi, I'm Dami and I'm studying Media and Communications.
I'm Jheni Osman and I'm a lecturer on the Media and Communications course.
This is Coffee and Questions with My Tutor. So if your course was a coffee, Jheni, what would it be and why?
Oh, that's such a tough question to start with. Oh my goodness.
Sorry.
I also don't drink coffee. So
Okay,
I've got a tea in there.
If it was tea, okay, let's go with
If it was a tea, it would be an English breakfast because it does a great blend of tastes that you need within learning the practicality of how to be a journalist, to be someone who works in public relations, to be a communicator, as well as having an interesting hit at the end with a bit of a sharp taste that you understand how to be analytical with the theory. So it's a nice blend of theory and
like the way you
and practice. And this is really tenuous now.
Oh wow.
What made you choose this course in the first place?
I love media generally. I love watching films. I love analyzing films. I remember with my sister, I would say something is not right. That's kind of cliche. That's cringy. When I saw the course with Cardiff Met, and I saw that I could also get a blend of public relations, journalism.
You maybe came in with that interest specifically in film and so on, and maybe you'd studied a bit of journalism, but you've discovered areas that I don't think you necessarily knew you'd be interested in, and you've excelled at them as well.
Thank you.
So,
Oh, thank you. That was actually good feedback.
You need a reference later.
Thank you. What is something students often underestimate when they start this course?
I think the fun experiences that they'll have. I think maybe school's really fun. Don't want to diss school. Most people, they don't want to sit there for longer than 20 minutes, listen to someone, then they need to do. And we're very much a doing course, like we did in the second year, the live crime incident event, where you're actually practically working with the policing department at the uni, basically having a go at being a journalist for the day or being as part of the communications team for the policing.
That's so nice. That was a really good experience because it was so real. The journalists are pressuring you for because I remember I was on the PR and comms team, and I was oh, we need to update the press release now. It's different now.
You got a real sense of the demands that would be in that job. There's fun element. It's not just sit and listen and teach and learn.
Oh, this one is quite nice. This is making me very nosy now. What were you like as a student?
Oh, that's really interesting. So I went to university a little bit later, 3 years later when I was 21, and I was classed as a mature student. I don't think you're necessarily a mature student then, or ever. But I hadn't been in that classic college setup. I'd done evening classes and this and that and just got my A-levels. So by the time I came to university, I was the ultimate geek. I loved learning. I was so excited by it. And the chance to join all the different societies and going from someone who wasn't massively academic, I was a good communicator, I was good at lots of other skills. I became someone who was academic because I had a real passion for my subject. And I love being a journalist. So I studied science first, then I did a science communication masters. When I went to uni, I was properly, slightly geeky in trying everything, getting excited by everything, and a few late nights, of course. Do you feel like you've changed much since starting the course?
I would say in a social aspect, yes. Because I remember in my first year, I wish I really got onto so much in my first year because I would just go from class and just go back home or just go to the library. It was just a very secular thing for me.
Do you think you were just getting used to being in the country
and the people
and getting used to the people and the way that things,
Yeah, I was trying to get used to the climate change as well. So
not always sunny like this.
I know. So it was quite really different for me my first year. My second year, I really did push myself out. Like I remember I did the global opportunities, went to the US.
Yeah.
So I think I've kind of changed. I don't think I would really be having this chat with you right now if I was
in
my
your first year.
No.
Yeah.
So I've kind of like pushed myself
Well, I
out
remember you
there.
particularly flourishing in your second year.
Yeah,
I think I would say
yeah.
that's when we started to see Dami showing her talents and skill sets and things that you were good at,
Yeah.
and recognizing, almost I started to see your ambition of, I got it. I know where I want to go now.
Yeah.
You're going to fly, girl.
Oh, thank
you know,
you.
you've
Thank
got
you
so
so
much
much.
going for you.
Thank you so much.